Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you what my favourite Gorilla Tag animal is. So let's get into it, guys. As you can see, he's already here. Doug the Bug. And guys, if you did not know, Doug the Bug has a plush now. And I bought it yesterday. And I bought Doug the Bug's plush yesterday. So in September, I will get it. And no, Doug, come back. So yeah, guys, I know it's a very random video. Doug, stop running away. And I'm sorry that Red Riot VR cannot be here today. He is feeling a bit poorly. So yeah, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.